Indians. Actually, this is the most Indian motorcycles I've seen in one area at one time. Normally when I'm riding my Indian, I am the only Indian if I'm in a group ride. Generally speaking, mine is the only Indian. But today, it's nothing but Indians. A refreshing change. This is just a teaser with more to come video. I think I'm going to make this about a 10 to 15 minute video in total. This is just 2 minutes. This is the first part of the day as we were rolling out of the dealership in Newport News. We had some experienced riders, some new riders, some riders